Every business is undergoing a revolutionary transformation. Companies are implementing digital technologies rapidly to connect with a wider audience, enhance customer experience, and improve business revenue. To harness the power of digital for growth, today's enterprises must modernize their business and accelerate modernization with software and platform-driven solutions. Companies are focusing on customer experience and operational agility, and emerging technologies are rapidly transforming the business landscape. Did you know? According to Gartner, the future of app development is multi-experience. Are you looking for an expert team that can provide end-to-end application development and maintenance services? Are you looking for a partner who is assisting businesses to accelerate digital transformation across various industries? Leave your application development services worries to the global managed IT provider, a team of experts who work with you to understand the digital customer journey and create innovative custom solutions that are future-proof and transformative. With Atlas Systems, you can take advantage of flexible and customizable IT solutions tailored to your business. By combining our customer-centric approach and in-depth expertise, we provide services with the next-generation application architecture, platform selection, process management, testing, cloud infrastructure, and services with enhanced security. Atlas is empowering enterprises through innovative use of technology, along with software development, API integration, and modernizing legacy systems. We provide consulting services, implementation services, technical support services. Atlas Systems' application development team has unmatched expertise in designing and deploying applications for our global Fortune 1000 clients. We are assisting them in enhancing business agility, elevate operational efficiency with cutting-edge enterprise software development services. As a leading IT and technology company, we provide the best-in-class solutions for enterprises across industries. Our services transform our clients' IT environment and accelerate their digital transformation journey. Get expert support and guidance from our highly qualified team. Talk to our solutions expert today and schedule a consultation. To learn more, visit us at atlassystems.com or email us at sales@atlassystems.com.